chho, my name is Utkarsh and welcome back to my channel Aaojo Rider. कैसा लगा स्क्रैम्बल का सीरीज? I don't know if the audio is clear, थोड़ा झेल लो. So now I am at Royal Enfield Aaojo showroom and यहाँ पे मैं अपनी Himalayan का रिपेयर करना आया हूँ. I don't know what's the cost and what is going to happen. So yeah, let's see. यहाँ पे एडिटिंग चल रही थी. Cold water, my hair and all. I was sitting here for around 2 hours and now I've got the message that my bike is ready. Service center is down only, underground. Let's go and check it out. What's the status? So now I came to know that my bike is gone for a test ride. यहीं से bike वापस. And this cap is my favorite now. You have seen me in the whole Scramble series wearing this cap and I'll be wearing this cap in future also. So, अरे भाई मारेगा. मार साले का खोपड़ी तोड़ साले का. गरीबी छाई हुई है. इंजीनियर है. ठीक है भाई. कैप का क्या ही है. यार मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना भूल गया कि जो मैं एडिट कर रहा था that was the episode 1 of the Scramble series. If you haven't watched those videos, लिंक कहीं आ रही होगी. गो चेक दैट प्ले लिस्ट. इट वॉज लाइक फुल ऑन थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस. सबसे पहले जाके गो एंड सी द ट्रेलर. दैट इज़ फैंटास्टिक. So today is 8th Feb. It's 1:03 PM. जो ट्रेलर वीडियो बनाया था लाइव at 1 PM. Notifications and I'm going to watch my own video now. Go and check out the video. My bike is not done yet. This is the waiting room for the service center. It's pretty nice over here. I think I'll show you. There's a recliner and massager. I don't know. They always take time. 90-minute fix लिखा है. I'm waiting for around now. I came at 9:30 and now it's almost 1:30 यार. देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. So now I have paid the bill. मैं बताता हूँ कितना खर्चा आया. वीडियो 30 minutes 10 comments already. कुछ लोग को तो मैंने बोला है बट ठीक. ओ नेक्स्ट लेवल वीडियो वेल डन. नोटिफिकेशंस आ रहे हैं. सो जस्ट गो चेक आउट द ट्रेलर वीडियो एंड जाओ लाइक करो कमेंट स्प्रेड की भाई नया मोटो ब्लॉगर आया है मार्केट में. चलो अभी बिल दिखाता हूँ. दिस इज़ माई गेट पास. वाटर वॉश इन लोग के पास था नहीं आज तो दे गेव मी वाटर वॉश कूपन सो दैट आई कैन यूज़ दैट लेटर. द बिल वॉज अराउंड 1500. थैंक गॉड ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं आया बट वेट फॉर इट. माई हैंडलबार गॉट बेंट वाइल आई क्रैश्ड ऑन द डर्ट रेस. तो उसका है अराउंड 600 फॉर हैंडलबार रिप्लेसमेंट. They took labor charge 300 extra for that. Side stand broke, obviously I told you about that. If you don't know, go check out my Scramble videos. And side stand spring, then side stand 340 rupees side stand का लगाया. Yeah, just general checkup 230 rupees. So including everything, my total bill comes around 1600 rupees. So yeah, that's it. And come. So he is Uday and he is in Royal Enfield Aaojo service station. He is the lead over here. So he is Uday. So yeah, he does a good job in Royal Enfield service station and I live 8 kilometers from here. The only reason I come to this one is that this is a pretty big service station, Harumbakam, and the service is good here. There's another one in Ambatu that's near to my house, but I didn't like the vibe of it, so yeah, I come here. Waiting room and all is good over here. There's a chair, but I usually sit in the showroom where I can edit my videos. So yeah, जब free time मिले edit करो, यही काम धंधे अभी. Okay, thanks man. My Himalayan is ready with the new side stand. It's dirty now, as I told you. The water wash is not available right now. There are some problem with it. I got a new handlebar, as you can see. Okay, looks pretty good. Brakes and all are clean. They told me that you can come next week for a bike wash. They also cleaned and lubed the chain for me. ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं आया and I'm glad. So let's go back home now. Thank you for watching this video. I know इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं, but like this video. Harumbakam showroom. Agar if you are living in Chennai, you can come to this one. See, it's pretty big actually. See, कितने सारे stations है. So yeah, like this video and share and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Ride hard, ride safe, and ride दबा के. Don't forget to gear up because safety first.